Today I'm excited to talk about something that's a game changer for manufacturing SMEs. You know, the big players in the manufacturing world have all the resources to harness the power of artificial intelligence. But what about the smaller guys, the 2 million manufacturing SMEs in the European Union that are under immense market pressure and struggling to keep up? Well, that's where Insight Generator steps in. This amazing software is designed to level the playing field by exploiting your historical data sets and generating smart, actionable recommendations using key performance indicators that you define. Imagine having a tool that not only determines the key features influencing each KPI, but also creates models from your data and recommends the optimal settings for your manufacturing processes. Sounds like a dream, right? Insight Generator uses cutting-edge AI and machine learning methods to offer a data-driven approach, making the entire process from data curation to optimization fully automated. It's all about hyper-automation, boosting productivity and efficiency at a scale and price that's perfect for SMEs. And the best part, it's available either as a fully deployable solution or on a pay-by-subscription basis, making it accessible to everyone. So if you're a manufacturing SME looking to harness that power of AI without getting overwhelmed by complex and broad solutions, Insight Generator is your ticket. Get ready to transform your manufacturing process, improve your KPIs, and step into the future of smart manufacturing.